This is the Airbnb where I stayed during my recent trip to Bangkok, where I had a great time. The place was clean and pleasant, and it was very easy to find. The place looked exactly the same as advertised on Airbnb. This accommodation is located very near to the MRT Huai Khwang station, and it is very easy to commute coming from Don Mueang Airport. The host was also very responsive, especially at giving directions as well as suggestions on nearby must-visit places like the Street Ratchada. It is a huge mall that is open 24/7, with so many restaurants and fast food inside. And not to mention the so many street foods located just outside the street. Microwave or cooking stove was not available, but it's not a big deal at all, since there is a big 7-Eleven at the ground floor where a lot of shopping needs can be met. There is even a fresh fruit vendor beside it. The aircon worked well, and an electric fan is also available to help the air circulate. The place is super quiet at night, and it felt like home. Washing machines and dryers are available on the ground floor for your laundry needs. The Wi-Fi was fast and stable, and the television have a number of channels available, but only in Thai. Although the bed was a little bit firm, I actually preferred it because of my lower back pains. The beddings were comfortable, and the latex pillows definitely provided a good night's sleep. Hot and cold showers with strong water pressure are available. You need not worry about bringing your own toiletries too, since shampoo, body soap, shower gel is also readily available. This is not a sponsored vlog, but if you are interested in booking this Airbnb in Bangkok, I posted the link below. If you have some questions, please feel free to post them. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.